Okay, before we get on with the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It will be very much appreciated. And let's get on with the video. How to install ribbon Argox Industry Barcode Printer X100VL by ALC-TECH. As you can see from the instruction menu, that is how you're gonna set up your ribbon. And that is how you're gonna set up your label. So, I'm gonna show you on how to remove the ribbon and the label from the device. As you can see, the hatch, and then open the head hatch, then take out the label from the media supply spindle. Next up is you're gonna take out the ribbon from the ribbon pickup spindle, take it off, and then the next one is from the ribbon supply spindle. And there you go. That is how you take out the ribbon and the label from our barcode printer. Next up, I'm gonna show you on how to install the ribbon back to the printer. So the coated side out should be below when we install it. And then we're gonna install the first part ribbon at the supply ribbon spindle. Then the other ribbon part, you're gonna install it at the ribbon pickup spindle. And also the ribbon must be above the sensor, not below the sensor. So as you can see, the ribbon is above the sensor. So we should install it above the sensor, not below the sensor. So next up, we're gonna install the label at the media supply spindle and then open the hatch below. Then we're gonna install the label under the paper sensor. Close it up back, and then you go. As you can see, that is the paper sensor. We install the label below the paper sensor. And there you go. That's how you install the ribbon at the Argox Industry Barcode Printer X100VL. Thanks for watching.